Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting the channel. Okay, so we're going to walk through the root directory and we're going to show the root directory and all the files and subfolders in it. So first of all, I'm going to import OS. Okay, then I'm going to create a function called walk directories. So this is the function, and I'm going to create here a root path which is going to be equal to C. Okay, that's going to be the C, the starting point, and now I'm going to do a little loop through it. So for root and dirs directories and files, so we're going to loop through them in os.walk, and then we're going to do the root path above. So we're going to walk through all of those and we're going to print them out so the user can see everything. So first of all, we're going to say root. That's going to be the root, and then we're going to print out dirs, which is going to be the directories there. Okay, dirs. Oh, made a mistake there. Dirs and print files, which is going to be here, files, and all we have to do now is to call it. So call it by its name, walk directories. Save it and run it. Let's have a look. There we go. So we're going through all the directories, files and subfolders on the C drive, and we could be here for quite some time. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shrink that down there so you can see everything here. Let me just do that again. Whoa, how do I stop this? Okay, let's shrink it down. There we go. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.